Hey everybody, I'm going to really quickly show you the basics of how to use one of these Megawheels electric scooters. This is the 350 watt, but pretty much works the same on all of them. So it comes with this charger, and the charger plugs in right down here. If you can see that right there, you just pop that cover off, and you plug this end in there, and then the charger will turn red, indicating that it's charging, and this will blink as it's charging. All 5 of these lights means the battery is full. So as it's charging up, this will blink, 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 blink until it's full. And then when it's full, that light will turn green and it will stop charging. So as you saw, I just hit this power button to turn it on. So you can just hit a short power button to turn it on, and then a long press to turn it off. While it's on, we can do a couple things. A single tap of the power button will turn that headlight on, and then a single tap again. We'll turn it off. It has 3 different speeds. Right now it's in high. A double tap on this power button will toggle it through that. So that toggled it to low. You see this little walking man. So that's if you want to walk alongside it, but you don't want to have to push it. You put it in that low, and then a double tap again. It'll go to medium, double tap again, and it will go to high. Only other thing I'll show you is that if you want to put it in miles per hour or kilometers per hour, so a triple tap will put it in kilometers per hour and miles per hour. So tap, 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 kilometers an hour, tap, 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 miles per hour. Has a bell here, a brake here, and the throttle is right here. And so really that's all there is to it. So if you're interested in this scooter, I'll put a link down below.